Hello, everybody, and welcome to Freedom Coach Pro. My name is Clint, and in today's episode, I'm going to teach you exactly what you need to do, the simple step process to install your Facebook Pixel plugin into WordPress. Stay tuned. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Freedom Coach Pro. My name is Clint, and today we are going to install a Facebook Pixel into WordPress. And it's a simple plugin, and honestly, it's the whole process is extremely simple. So in this video, it'll all be made clear, and you'll have it all running in probably less than 10 minutes time. It's just going to take longer because I'm actually going to have to explain it to you. So here we go. Let's dive in right now. Okay, everybody, so there's two ways to get to the Pixel. I'm going to show you both of them very, very quickly, so bear with me. Go on the top right, there's a little drop down right next to the check mark. You can go right over here, and down here there's Manage Ads. So simply go to your Manage Ads setting, which is really handy because then it's going to take you to your ads account, right? And then over here, you're going to select your Pixel. Once you get into your Pixel, you're going to select the one in which you want. I'm going to go to my Freedom Coach Pro Business account, and if you can't see it, it's blurred out. It's intentional because this is a lot of people could snatch this and use it for different things. So you're not going to see it. I'm sorry, but we'll get there. All right. So then the other one, where'd it go? All right. Here's the one that I need to set up today. Launch Pixel Setup. So to get here, you're going to with your business, with the business manager account, you can set up more than I think they max it out at like 2 pixels, but with the business account, you can actually set up more than that. So you can go here to your add data source over here on the right hand side and click the Facebook Pixel. Now I've already done that, so I'm not going to click it again. It will bring up this right here, and this is for my inspirationalsecrets.com website. It's just a place that I really specifically am building for affiliates to kind of give those of you that are into affiliate marketing just a whole nother avenue in which I can just share ideas, and it's a little bit separate than Freedom Coach Pro. So this is the Setup Your Pixel. Now there's 3 different options here. Email instructions to a developer. You guys don't need to do that, okay? Unless you have this really complicated strategy and tracking system that you want to implement, then absolutely just have a pro do it. This video is not for you. Manually install the code yourself. We're going to skip that one because it's not applicable to what we're doing at the moment. There's a far easier way. We simply click, sorry, I forgot to say it. We simply click the use an integration or tag manager. And now we're going to go down here. Boom, WordPress right there. You've got all these different other options too. So if you guys happen to use any of these other sites, Wix is on here, Shopify, yeah, self-explanatory. WordPress, there we go. We're going to click that. So here we go. As you can see, it has a great step-by-step, like almost dummy-proof, which is good because if you're like me, I struggle with this stuff. That's why I'm sharing this video, because I'm like, whoo, I just learned something. So here we go. You download the plugin. So you're going to click download. Now, I would suggest, now I'm using Safari right now, but I would suggest you right-click on that guy and download the linked file. This will keep the zip file intact. If you don't do that, it's going to open up the file, download the file, and open up the file, and it's you won't be able to install it. It's kind of a pain in the butt. So there we go. Integration. Now we're going to click continue. We're going to go to settings. So literally, guys, it walks us through step by step exactly what we need to do. So I'm going to go over here to my website, Inspirational Secrets. Now I'm already logged in, and over here on the left hand side, I'm down to plugins, and we are going to go to add new plugin. Now, none of this is relevant. The only thing we want to do is we're going to upload our plugin, right? We're going to upload our plugin. Now we're going to go back to my downloaded file here. And we're going to grab it and drop it in there. I don't even have to choose a file. I just dropped it in there. Now, as you can imagine, the directions have go to settings, add new, right? We followed that. Okay, check. I kind of went fast. There we go. Dropped in the file, right? Install the plugin. Guess what we're going to do now? Click install now. So let's do that. Install now. Boom. Installing plugin, unpacking the package, installing the plugin. That's because I already did it and then I tried to undo it, so it probably didn't like that. So I'm going to go down here. It will, if you've done this the first time, it should be right down here. Let's see if it's still here. There we go. Official Facebook pixel. There it is. Boom. That's it. That's all it is. And now you have other options, right? We can go to here and it's going to verify the connection. So I need to enter the URL for this pixel, and for me it's, I just have to, whoops, I didn't mean to do that. I just have to grab the right file here, bear with me. And then I'm going to drop it in. So it's there, inspirationalsecrets.com. And I'm going to send test traffic to my site, and we'll see if it works. So here we go. Right, I just did this Surf and Safari Beach Boys page. I just kind of share, build rapport with your audience or customers. That was just kind of a fun little thing I did. And here's a couple. Yeah, just a couple more articles that I've done and stuff. So anyway, Facebook Pixel. Did it do it? Did it ping it? Look at there. Active. Yeah! Feel pretty happy, right? It's like these little victories when you guys get through and we do this stuff. You're like, yes, I did that. So congratulations, guys. You installed your Facebook Pixel. I'll just hit continue here. Confirmation. There it is. So the next step, create an ad, check out your analytics, whatever you'd like to do. But way to go. Way to go, guys. All right. This is Clint. Thanks for joining us. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that right now.